Hey everyone, so this is your vocabulary homework. So this is used through Lucid Chart, which is a Google Drive add-on. So when you log in, go ahead and use your school email, give it access because this is something that I will be using a lot. So one of the first things you're going to notice is you can't actually go in and edit anything. So what I want you to do is go to File, make a copy, and then what you're going to do is you're going to type your last name and then keep everything else the same. And then it'll think for a moment and it'll open a new page for you. So now you can go in and edit everything. So on this first page is your instructions. You've got these tabs down here. So what you're going to do is I'm going to give you vocabulary words. You're going to find an official definition and then put that definition into your own words. You're also going to try and find a synonym or antonym that goes along with this word. So that's something that's going to be very similar or very different to what your main vocab word is. In addition to that, please tell me if you found a synonym or an antonym. The next one is going to be find a picture online that relates to your vocab word and then caption it like it's something you would put on Instagram or Snapchat. And then the last one is an example from the real world. It could be a sentence. It could be something that shows you what you use the word for. So if you go to these tabs down here, I have one that says example. So here I chose the vocabulary word puppy. A synonym could be dog. I found a definition online and I made up my own that was just a baby dog. Real world example, I've had a dog, but I've never had a puppy. So I do actually have a pet dog, but I have never had a puppy. I got my dog when he was already an adult. And this last one is I would trade my lunch to pet this small furry creature, hashtag dog, hashtag husky. So you're going to do something along the lines of this. So the words I've given you are density, mass, weight, and volume. The word is in red in the middle, and in parentheses is a unit of measurement that you will likely see with that. So for volume, we measure that in milliliters. Something you're probably already familiar with would be weight. So if someone asks you how much you weigh, you're going to say, I weigh X amount of pounds. So go ahead and fill this out. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. As always, have a great day and a better week.